The Flood Control District of Maricopa County was established in 1959 to reduce flood risk to residents.
The 1950s when we were formed, it was recognized there were repeated flood problems. One of the issues was there wasn't a local agency established to specifically handle the costs associated with the proposed federal project. In response to that, City of Phoenix, Salt River Project, and Maricopa County formed a task force that looked at solutions for this repetitive flood problem and how we were going to manage it.